Okay guys, Leo from Parakeets Budgie house again with another video. Fall and spring is the time where the budgie start hatching again. There's a fat nice looking baby right there. I saw him on one of the nesting boxes. He drew my attention. I'm like, let me grab this guy and play with him a little bit, show you guys. Yeah, he looks very energetic though. Rainy season, I mean fall, spring, the budgie reproduction just takes off. I'm thinking, I mean, my aviary keeps growing. I'm thinking about changing those ugly looking boxes that I got. I'm gonna try to make them smaller since the aviary is growing so fast. Look at that, it's a teamwork there. Daddy comes in, bring the food to the table, and then gives it to mom, and mom relates it to the baby budgie underneath. That's a sign of a good male budgie there. He goes right into the box and bring the food to mom. That's a sign of a very good daddy right there. Not all the males do that. I don't understand that. It's just some of them I will do that. She has that nice looking yellow there. As you see, that look at how big that box is. I'm gonna make a video of the boxes smaller, and they're all gonna be the same this time. And I'm gonna in the same video I'm gonna show you guys how to make a simple and quick nesting boxes for the budgies. I believe at the end of the video there is a sample of how the box is gonna look. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video, and thanks for all the support, guys. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done it, and I see you on the next video.